Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't.
Hi guys, today is time for some reorganization. As you can see, I've already unpacked my grocery shopping. I have this beautiful bouquet of peonies and they are my favorite flowers, and there were so many of them when I went on holiday in Romania, and here I haven't really seen them that much, but I'm so happy I found a bouquet. And we're gonna start reorganizing stuff around the house because I want to have it summer ready, fresh. I want to move the flowers, I want to bring some flowers from indoor, outdoor, and vice versa. I'm going to show you my veggie patch. I might do 2 vlogs because it's bank holiday, Thursday, Friday, and then weekend, of course, because it's the Jubilee weekend. So I have plenty of time to just rethink how this house works, because we've been living here for almost a year. It's about 10-11 months, so we already know like what flow we actually want. And as you can see, there's a little bit of tidying up to do, but nothing major. So yeah, let's do it. The thing that I would like to tackle is this. I just think it's just storage space and I want to make it more functional, so I'm gonna switch things around. And also that table that, if you remember, we built this console table, I want to transform it into like a coffee bar, so I can move the coffee machine from there onto there, because here it is blocking out the entire space because we have to put it diagonally, otherwise it just looks weird. So we're gonna try that and see if it works.
Ultimately, we don't need two, and considering I'm trying to pursue minimalism,
I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of...
Don't forget to drink water and stay hydrated and take a break sometimes, like I'm gonna do now.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we...
So the only problem with this console table is that it's really wobbly because we built it and it's not the most secure. So that's the only thing that actually bothers me. But it should be fine. Should be fine. Perfect. So I could either keep it like this and then add all the other things like there, or I can twist it the other way. Let me show you. I can also twist it this way. So you can only see this Lavazza logo and have the coffee coming that way. But I think this is a bit counterintuitive because you would have to like reach that side, and like this is a display, so yeah, maybe it's not the best, but I'll see. Let me bring the other stuff as well. My capsules, the water thingy, the water jug that I use for there, and I'll see, maybe I'll bring a little bit of sugar. I won't bring the tea or the kettle because there's just a little too much, I think. And as well, nothing from here really, but I could hang this here. And it would look something like this. Or I can just put it here. Yeah, this is less work. I like that. I'll leave that there. And of course I'll bring a plant. I could actually bring the big plant that was there. I just don't like how it looks. So maybe I could actually bring this one somewhere here. And keep my bowl of lemons and stuff as well here. It's too crowded over here. No, something I don't like. Something. Let's try to play around with it. So, right here. So that's there. I add the plant. Looks cool. I like this. Looks like an actual breakfast nook. I still think that would look better if I hang it. So I'm gonna go look for like one of these 3M hooks and hang it there. But I do like it a lot. That freed up this entire corner. Now, I don't really know exactly what I want to do with it. I know I want to get the blender out because it's in there and that's making me use it less and less. So maybe that's gonna be like my new like appliances section. But also because the kettle is here, it is so dirty all the time because everything that I'm cooking jumps, like splashes it directly. So I'm gonna move it on the other side. And I'll move my teas on there, so it's just a small like reconfiguration, and maybe I'll move all these oils and stuff on there as well because it clutters up this area. Let's see. So I think this is gonna stay. Let me take my violins out. I know the zone is quite cluttered, but it frees up this area, which we're gonna see what we can do with. But what I did was I moved the oils and stuff from that side to that side. I added a blender on the counter. Kettle and tea is still in the same place, but just further away from the fire. And yeah, that still gives me plenty of stuff to work on here, because I didn't really touch that corner anyway, because the coffee machine would come up until around this, so it still gives me more space. Now I'm just gonna do my vitamins and put them by the coffee machine so I don't forget about that, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna tackle this. But I still have a few dishes to wash, so I'm gonna tackle that first just to make sure that I have a clean space to work with.